Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
You have to trust them.
How you, because it's hard at the beginning. That's your baby, man. How you trust somebody else with your baby?
It's true.
It's hard.
It's
hard.
It's very true, but you got to have faith.
If you don't do it, it will never. And it's not gonna be perfect. Let me, when I started to employ people, there was no all perfect.
No,
we have challenges. People stole money from me, my employees. So, but eventually, you learn. You will find the right people, right?
Right. You will gradually meet the right people, hire the right people, and all of them make your. That's why it's called an organization, right? All of us are in the same boat, and you can't have somebody walking around with a drill on a boat, drilling holes in the boat, right? Like that can't work. So because all of us are going to go down. So everybody needs to understand that's the first thing, that the only way we're in business is all of us together do a great job. So like with me, that was the biggest thing. Like I learned early from really good people, but I also understand business. You have years where you're doing great, then you have years where you have bad years, right?
Absolutely.
So being I'm the man, and you have a good year, next year you can have a toilet year. Like what are you then? So like you can't ever take it too seriously, right? You got to always be level.
Humble.
You're never better than anybody else. Yeah, I'm the boss, but I treat everybody the same. Everybody the same, from my employees to my customers. And I've had situations over the years where my customer tried to treat an employee bad. I dropped the account. I'm like, I'm not going to have anybody treating my employees, because my employees are family,
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
So because I treat them like family, I got to protect them too. So it's this understanding that like you are not the main guy. You have big responsibilities.
Exactly. All we have is a more responsibility. That's all we have. But if you want to succeed in business, and you have to stay humble, and your job is empower and create leaders within your organizations. This is
true entrepreneurs, like you said, create leaders. And every level I've ever gone up, I always meet people that are doing way more than me. So if I'm doing a $4 million building, there are people
you hanging out with people
with $1 million buildings, So like I can't be like, I'm the man. I'm not the man. It's real levels to this thing, So you just got to be humble, be happy where you are, and always try to grow.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.